Hi guys, this is the third video on my 4-part video series on how to use a cane as an exercise tool. I promised my 77-year-old dentist that I would do YouTube videos showing how he can use his cane to exercise with. The problem with relying on a cane, it will cause your muscles to atrophy. And instead of using it to depend on for your mobility, what I'm suggesting is to use it as an exercise tool to increase your mobility. And this particular video will be on how to use it as a barbell or dumbbell, or as a weight equipment device. Now, all canes aren't the same. This is a light cane, very light, probably weighs less than half a pound. And this is a heavy cane, a bariatric cane, that is it's for obese people, but it's rated for 600 pounds. Now, this is more expensive. This costs me $29.99 at Drug Mart here in Ohio. But it's very heavy, and it's 2.4 pounds, much heavier than this one is. And it's also adjustable. It has a knob where you can adjust it. So you can make it long or short, depending on your height, or depending on what you want to use it for. So I'm going to head and make it short for no particular reason, just to show you that I can. It should make it at the strongest point. So what I'm suggesting you do is to use this like a barbell. And to do that, you can just get some weight plates, some Olympic weight plates, a 2-inch variety. They will fit easily. And put as many weight plates as you want. I'm just going to put 20 on here. But if you can only do 5 or 10, that's fine too. And now, I can use this to do deadlifts with, or squats, or presses, or reverse curls, curls, or rows. So the exercise I just showed you will give you a complete body workout. Now, it's not necessary to use heavy weights with your cane. Eugene Sandow is recognized as the father of bodybuilding, and what he recommended was to use anywhere from 3 to 5 pound barbells, and by holding it tightly. This weighs 2.4 pounds, so for a senior citizen, this would be adequate. And what you can do is just do it slowly. The more slowly you do it, the harder it becomes. And you want to grip as tight as you possibly can. And the reason why is that by gripping it tight, it makes it harder, and it puts your muscles under more time under tension, which will cause your muscles to grow. And now I'm just doing a curl with this. I can also use it to do presses, or you use to do front raises. And I want to go slow, because the slower it is, the harder it becomes. Side lateral raises. Okay, that's what I wanted to convey. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.